In this video, I will continue to discuss the collapse of Western civilization, which is global civilization nowadays, and future of humans. Will we extinct as biological species, or will we have brilliant future with galactic expansion and healthy life, long, almost unlimited uh, life, to be forever young and healthy? It's up to you. I'm working on it. I believe that it's possible, and the only way that we have to do something for this if you want to participate in it. So this part 8 about finding unity and purpose, and how it will go. I believe that it will go through the tribalization in the future of humanity. This is what we see everywhere, but again, only certain tribes will survive, I believe. Yeah, so okay. As always, I recommend you to download presentation as PDF file from the link in the description. It is more easy and more convenient to read. Publication to go to the sources of information, make your own research. Again, it is my personal opinion. I don't press on you, accept it or not, up to you. So I express my own opinion, but I believe that again it is possible. We are on the step on the situation in the situation that very critical for us to survive or to collapse. And okay, this is my purpose, to give humanity a chance to procreate, to survive, to spread biological sustainable biological life through our galaxy and beyond. So it's again brilliant purpose. It is worthwhile to live through this, except some suffering and hard work. Okay, this, but up to you. Will you accept or not? Let's go and let's see again my ideas, my thoughts on how it will go, because it is not all people who survive. Many people don't want to live too long, but it's again, if you have a purpose, if you accept it, it is already, you are so special. And let's go into more details. In secular societies where traditional sources of meaning and purpose such as religion may play a diminished role, there is a concern that individuals might increasingly prioritize pleasure, entertainment, and activities like computer gaming over contributing to society. Research shows that having a sense of purpose is strongly linked to physiological well-being and life satisfaction. Yes, again, without the purpose of your life, what is the difference to live or to die? No difference. Without a clear sense of purpose, individuals might experience increased rates of depression, anxiety, and general dissatisfaction with life. A strong sense of purpose often motivates people to contribute to society through work, volunteering, and other forms of civic engagement. If individuals prioritize immediate pleasures and entertainment, social productivity, community cohesion will suffer. Okay, so again, purpose is better motivation than money. Money is actually, yeah, money is important, yeah, but you need money to survive. But again, it is, if you prioritize money, you're already dead. Reduced motivation to work or pursue meaningful careers could lead to lower workforce participation rates, potentially impacting economic growth and innovation. Excessive engagement in solitary activities like gaming can lead to social isolation, which is linked to various negative health outcomes, including increased mortality risk. This is what happens, okay, if you only look for entertainment and pleasures. Yeah, it's it's terrible. So many people die because it's so easy to get fun. It's so difficult to live a real life. So I don't see any motivation for single men receiving the universal basic income to work, increase their social status, marry, provide for their own families, and take care of their parents. Even the idea of improving health and living a longer life is not motivation for many atheistic people. So due to secularization, we may expect that introduction of artificial intelligence and the universal basic income will only increase the portion of people who voluntarily remove themselves from procreation. When different ethnic, cultural, and religious groups live in segregated neighborhoods, it can lead to increased social tensions, conflicts, and reduced social cohesion. In urban settings, competition for jobs, housing, and other resources can exacerbate tensions between different groups. Rapid influxes of immigrants and related demographic shifts can create a sense of threat among the native population, leading to defensive reactions and social tensions. Increased social tensions can lead to higher rates of violence and crime. In severe cases, social fragmentation can lead to a decline in the quality of life for all residents. Politicians may exploit social tensions for political gains, using divisive rhetoric that further polarizes society. Increased social tensions in multicultural, multi-ethnic urban society can be a time bomb to cause conflict and civil disorder. The aging population may have less dynamism and fewer young innovations. Yeah, this is certain. Young locals tend to be more educated, cooperative, and adaptive to new technologies than migrants. It is again important. You invite migrants, low educated migrants with low IQ. What innovations will you expect? With reduced fertility rates, many advanced economies are concerned about the future shortages of highly skilled professionals. A sharp decline in the fertility rates of the local population in developed countries and rapid influxes of economic migrants with low education background can potentially lead to losses in high technologies, reduced productivity, aiming to increase the risk of social collapse. So, in extreme cases, the combined effects of economic decline, the loss of high technologies, and social instability can threaten the very foundations of Western society. Okay, so you invite migrants, you will live in Muslim Khanate, it's with under Sharia law, yeah, and so you invite Africa to your country, you will become Africa, certainly. So IQ is dropping, average, and it is predicted to drop sharply below any possibility to participate in the development of high technologies. As globalization spreads, there is a counter movement where people seek to preserve their unique cultural and religious identities. Yes, tribalization, where groups of people are united by shared culture, religion, and purpose, could become a future trend. This, I believe, again, it's to survive. People have to find similar similar thinking people with common values. Again, unite in some. This can lead to formation of cultures and religious groups or tribes with strong in-group loyalty and out-group hostility that resist the homogenizing effects of global culture. Increasing political polarization in many parts of the world can drive people to align more closely with groups that share their beliefs, identity, values, and purpose, sometimes in opposition to mainstream cultural norms. Examples are individuals or groups that advocate political Islam in Muslim countries and Europe. Yeah, this is again. People are coming, they try to establish political Islam, they try to establish Sharia law in Europe. Do you want it or not? Again, it depends. But again, people, locals, may be not happy about this, and they decide what to do, what tribe to join. Similar various nationalistic movements in Europe and elsewhere emphasize cultural, religious, and national identity. Okay, you can see it especially good examples in Muslim countries that they certainly create tribes based on religion or based on Islam or other religions. But also it is in Japan, for example. Locals don't like some nations. At least locals like Japanese don't like Chinese people. And Chinese hate Japanese people. So some polarization in the society if they allow migrants to get to their countries. Again, it's Right-wing movement is growing also because people believe that they are threatened. Okay, we would go to Nazi and fascist ideology, I don't know, but we have already fascist ideology in Russia, for example. Russia invaded Ukraine and they just claim that they have to exterminate all Ukrainians or adapt them to the Russian culture, which is actually, yeah, it's not culture, it is something terrible. Okay, I'm Ukrainian by birth, so I spent most of my life in Russia. I know these people. They are much different from Slavic nations in Europe, much different culture. It is so-called Golden Horda. They live with special ethical and moral norms which are not compatible with Europe, I believe. Okay, whatever. Humanity faces a crucial decision: accept the eventual extinction of our species or transform social structures to pave the way for a new civilization, this or that. By uniting around the shared goal of avoided extinction, exploring outer space, other planets and other stars, humanity can find a sense of purpose, a renewed sense of purpose. This is what I propose. Guys, we can do it. We can do it. Just join my project. Just participate in it. And okay, moving from Earth to outer space will potentially provide unlimited resources and space for humans. This objective requires not only hard work, inventions, technologies, resources, discipline, and dedication, but also significant advances in human health and longevity. Yes, this is what I'm working on. I believe that radical lifespan extension is a critical first step toward a brighter future for humanity. This is what we can do before we will go to Mars and other planets. We can start to improve health. And we can extend our lifespan at least 20-40 times without any change in genetics. I do it. I mean, yeah, I cannot prove it for now because you have to wait 1,000 years before you will see that I live so long. But I follow nature. Nature gives us the way. It is not genetics. It is not without any genetical change. We can change our life, our lifestyle, our diet, and with the use of supplements and maybe drugs. But again, it is relatively affordable. It is easy to do. If you decide to live long, to have long, productive, healthy life, join my project. Okay. Otherwise, yeah, you watch probably the movie Idiocracy. Yeah, it is yet optimistic vision of our future. It is not, though it will be much harder, if you will not do it, if you will not decide for better health, better life, and also if you will not accept this tribalization around the religion, around culture norms, about the purpose of progress, there will be no future, we will just extinct. So we can go out to space, explore some planets, satellites, and go to other stars. Why not? Longer lifespan can inspire hope and encourage individuals to contribute to building a better future for themselves and their families. Again, if you think you will die anyway, and you think you have no children, why to live? Yeah, again, you can maybe tired of life, of these problems. So, but if you take this goal, hope that to live till better future, to participate in it, contribute in society. Yeah, okay, so I believe what is important, not only health and longevity, but to achieve this goal, we must form a tribe that embraces discipline, hard work, and willingness to endure some suffering and stress in pursuit of much longer and more productive lives. It is, again, you have to push yourself. It is not, if you think there is magical pill to extend your lifespan, no, sorry. You need discipline. You have to to go to physical exercises. You have to select your food. You have to prepare your meals instead of buying this food, highly processed industrial food. It's some suffering. It is stress, of course, but the reward is fantastic. So anyone is invited to join the tribe and contribute to research to my project. Anyone, okay, you can do it. Okay, up to you. Not all people. Even many of my relatives don't want to live long. They said, "Oh, it is too complicated to follow carnivore diet and to eat maybe mostly dairy products and some mushrooms or whatever." And it's terrible. They want to eat some carbohydrates and plant-based foods, and they want to live not so long because it's so suffering. They maybe don't have enough money. They cannot see how they can earn money in future. Everything is collapsing. My relatives in Ukraine, for example, is in such situation. But I hope. But some my close relatives, like my father, my mother and my sister and her children. They are, I think, they follow my project. At least they improved health. And my mother, she is 89, and I hope she will live a few hundred years longer. At least I wish. If they will follow my advice, and they will do it. So many people already chosen not to procreate or participate actively in productive life. This is the situation. I expect that only minority of population will accept working harder, living longer, then giving through a bottleneck getting through a bottleneck when population will substantially drop is inevitable. This is, again, it will not happen instantly, but I think there will be harsh selection of people who want to work harder, to create this galactic future for humans. Yeah, so this is always such. You decide, we go to extinction or we can recover, and from this small group of individuals we can go to galactic future to. Okay. So you can go to the source of information and comment to this my project, to my video. If you want to support my channel, again, the minimum what you can do, press like and the bell buttons, subscribe to my channel, spread this information with through your friends and relatives, or contact me with the Telegram channel if you want to participate personally and contribute more in the project. You're welcome, but again, not many people will do it. Okay, have a wonderful day. Ciao, ciao.